Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you meet prerequisites: a functioning pickaxe, a light source, and at least one empty inventory slot. Once equipped, head straight to the underground biome or depths where nuggets spawn, using your map and landmarks to avoid wasting time. Begin mining focused ore clusters rather than random walls. This maximizes yield because nuggets commonly drop from group nodes. Keep moving after 30-60 seconds in one area to find richer seams and avoid respawn lag. Once you've found a seam, switch to efficient extraction techniques. Clear a broad 3x3 tunnel to expose adjacent nodes and prevent missing concealed pockets. Make sure your inventory management is proactive. Merge common ores to free space and reserve dedicated slots for nuggets so you don't lose drops. If the game offers temporary buffs like luck, yield boosts, or magnet pickup, activate them before intensive runs. These improve drop rates and reduce backtrack time. Rotate positions to let nodes respawn naturally. To finish, process raw ore right away at the nearest furnace or refinery so you convert captures into usable nuggets and free inventory for more runs. Deposit excess nuggets into storage or trade them promptly to secure gains, especially if death penalties or limited carry apply. If your yield is unusually low, troubleshoot. Inspect your tool durability and upgrade level, confirm you're in the correct depth or region, and verify any server or zone rarity modifiers. Reapply buffs and try a different.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.